size, running parallel to the causeway. They are about 45 meters long and lined with fine polygonal limestone masonry, unlike the boat pits found at Giza. These pits are unusual in that the preceding 5 kings appear to do without these structures, along with the remaining kings of the 6th dynasty. And it wouldn't be until the Middle Kingdom that these quote-unquote boat pits would reappear.
After extensive research, conduit system,
Upon reviewing this footage, I noticed there are 2 openings here. Perhaps this allowed water from the moat to fill this structure.